This video was brought to you by Project Capital.
Fight!
Okay, so everybody knows Excel sits up there as the strongest build in the current meta, overpowering PowerPoint, Word, Power BI, Skype, SQL, Visio and OneNote. No wonder why it's the strongest on top of the animal kingdom and in the current build. Okay, let's take a closer look at why Excel is so OP and overpowered.
Choose your destiny.
Alright, let's compare the top two builds and the top of the current meta across all the servers, Asian, America, China and the European server. So that's Microsoft Excel and the African elephant. So being the largest animal on top of the servers, Microsoft Excel and the African elephants, it currently means that you have the highest HP in game, plus to sustain that size you need to eat a lot of food. Currently the similarities between both builds are they are both very tanky and they require a lot of strength and health to survive and have a lot of survivability. Microsoft Excel is currently the most popular build out there, with massive amounts of players currently using that build. It is currently the easiest tool to use. And its strengths involve having the ability to analyze large amounts of data, the ability to save your documents offline, to work offline, and be able to share and sync work across multiple users compared to the other builds. Alright, cool. Let's have a look at the elephant stats. It's currently ranked highest in terms of health and defense, meaning that it's got a lot of HP, so it can take a lot of damage before it dies. And defense, it means that it's got a thick hide and can take in and absorb a lot of the enemy attack and reduce it to basically zero. From a speed and dexterity point of view, it's very slow. It cannot run away, and it cannot analyze data as quickly as the other animals in the animal kingdom, and its ability to miss attacks and hit accurately is quite low. Special abilities of the elephant include their size, they are massive, they have a long lifespan, and they've got a secret slide attack. Human players have also been known to be standing in front of Wayne and getting knocked out. Okay, looking at the Excel stats, a large majority of players are applying this build purely because of the ability to sync to the cloud and ability to manipulate large data sets. Currently looking at its health and defense is very weak, but with the latest patch updates it has gained an extra health, so against the elephants it'll be totally destroyed. Other advantages as Excel has the ability to work offline compared to a lot of the other tools. And then from a pricing perspective, it's quite expensive, giving it a low scoring. Some of the special abilities of Excel include conditional formatting, manipulating large data sets, easy visualizations. It's got a low barrier to entry and it's just easy to use. Current weaknesses: there's no stealth ability, every unit can see it, everyone is using Excel. Plus, it's not good for presentations, it can't handle many formulas, and it's currently weak against armored units. If you guys would like to check out the strength of PowerPoint, wait for my upcoming video and I'll do a comparison on how current players are using the build, but currently at a level 1 it's quite weak. If you enjoyed the build guide in this current video, please comment below and then I'll make more builds for the other tools as well and the other animals.